Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into some fantastic manufacturing business ideas that are easy to set up and have the potential for continuous sales. Manufacturing can sometimes seem like a complex endeavor, but these ideas specifically focus on simplicity, leveraging readily available resources, and targeting areas of high market demand. These are ideal for aspiring entrepreneurs looking for a straightforward entry point into the world of manufacturing. First up is handmade soap and cosmetics. With a relatively small investment in ingredients, molds, and basic packaging materials, you can begin creating unique, high-quality products. The market for natural and organic cosmetics is experiencing explosive growth, fueled by consumer awareness of ingredients and a preference for environmentally friendly products. This demand translates directly into consistent and growing sales potential. Next, consider candle making. Candles are perpetually in demand, whether for creating a relaxing ambiance, enhancing home decor, or serving as thoughtful and personalized gifts. You can start with basic supplies like wax, wicks, and fragrances, and then expand your product line with a diverse range of options. Consider experimenting with different scents, sizes, container styles, jars, tins, decorative holders, and even incorporating natural ingredients or essential oils to capture a wider customer base. Third, let's explore custom t-shirt printing. This business leverages readily available and affordable technology, and it caters to an incredibly broad customer base. Design software, many free or low-cost options exist, and a heat press are the primary equipment requirements. You can then offer personalized designs for birthdays, special events, team gatherings, or even create custom apparel for local businesses and organizations. This versatility leads to ongoing and diverse sales opportunities. Then, there is the production of wooden crafts. This business requires some basic woodworking skills and tools, such as saws, sanders, and finishing materials, but the demand for handcrafted goods, particularly those with a rustic or personalized appeal, remains significant. Think about creating cutting boards, unique wooden toys, decorative items for home decor signs, plaques, or even small furniture pieces. Sell your creations online through platforms like Etsy, at local craft fairs, or through partnerships with gift shops. Another viable idea is producing personalized gifts. Engraved items, custom mugs featuring unique designs, photo albums, and personalized stationery are always popular, particularly for special occasions. These types of products are perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, graduations, and holidays, leading to a steady stream of sales year-round. Consider offering options for different materials and customization levels to cater to a broader clientele. Next, consider producing pet accessories. The pet industry continues to experience robust growth, and with this comes a constant need for collars, leashes, toys, and other accessories. You can start with basic sewing skills, or explore outsourcing production to maintain efficiency as your business grows. Research current trends in pet fashion and functionality to develop innovative and desirable products. Another exciting option is jewelry making. Create unique necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and other jewelry pieces. This business has a relatively low barrier to entry, requires only basic tools and materials, and it allows for a great deal of creative expression. Experiment with a variety of styles, materials, beads, metals, gemstones, and techniques to appeal to a broader audience and differentiate your brand. Finally, think about producing home fragrance products like diffusers, room sprays, and essential oil blends. These items are generally easy to produce in small batches, offering the potential for high profit margins. Experiment with different scents, packaging designs, and natural ingredient blends to attract customers and build a strong brand identity. This can be a very rewarding and profitable endeavor. All these ideas share some common traits that make them attractive for entrepreneurs. Relatively low startup costs, simplified setups, and significant potential for consistent sales. Remember to thoroughly research your target market, develop a solid business plan that considers pricing, marketing, and distribution strategies, and most importantly, Focus on producing high-quality products and delivering exceptional customer satisfaction. Good luck, and happy manufacturing endeavors!